Hey bird watchers, this is part 3 of our Smartsheet and Blackbird series. In this we'll explore UI string localization from GitHub. In our repo, we can see we have a JSON file with some UI strings and also a reference video file that will come into play later. If you recall from our previous video, we need a system ID or path for our Smartsheet form, and we can copy that path right here. Once our form is filled out, we submit it. It gets added to our sheet, and our bird gets triggered, gathering up the info we need to execute our workflow. Same as the last video, it heads down the localization branch of our condition, but this time it flows down the GitHub workflow branch, and that creates a project in the phrase TMS. We create a folder in Google Drive and then upload our GitHub files there. We also use another condition to restrict the MP4 files from being uploaded to phrase and only focusing in on the JSON UI strings. We send an email message, and then we use a checkpoint to wait for the project to be done in phrase. This is the email to our linguist letting them know about the phrase project, but also providing a URL to a Google Drive folder where they can download the video reference file. We can see that here. The new folder was created in a shared folder with this linguist. Now let's check out our project over here in phrase. We can see the JSON in our preview here and translate only the needed strings. As we translate, the preview updates with the translation. We also have our reference video we can open in Google Drive to get more visual context for the UI as we translate. When done, we confirm our segments and set the job as completed. That triggers our checkpoint, exports the final translations, uploads back to GitHub, sends a Slack message, and then updates our Smartsheet row with a delivered status. In GitHub, we can see our German translation right here. And in Smartsheet, the project is set to delivered. We got our flight URL, but also our phrase project ID has been added. And there you have it, GitHub strings localization managed in the same Smartsheet form as our SEO optimization and Zendesk article translation. In our last video, we'll cover contentful localization from that very same form.